Airtel Africa Mobile Operator Review, Usage Experience. Links to relevant products and services are in the description. Airtel Africa is one of the leading telecom providers across multiple African countries, offering mobile voice, data, and financial services. It is designed for individuals and businesses needing affordable, reliable connectivity with wide coverage. Airtel provides 2G, 3G, and 4G networks in most regions, with 5G rolling out in select areas. The network coverage is extensive in urban areas, but may be inconsistent in remote regions, depending on the country. Airtel Money, its mobile financial service, enables users to send and receive money, pay bills, and make purchases conveniently. Data plans are competitive, with daily, weekly, and monthly bundles catering to different user needs. The pricing is generally affordable compared to competitors, but speeds can fluctuate based on location and network congestion. Customer service quality varies, with some countries offering responsive support while others lag in issue resolution. Airtel's business solutions include cloud services, IoT connectivity, and bulk messaging, making it a solid option for enterprises. Roaming services are available, but can be costly, so checking specific rates beforehand is advisable. Overall, Airtel Africa is a strong choice for users looking for budget-friendly telecom services with decent coverage, reliable mobile money services, and various data options. However, if you rely on consistent high-speed internet, it's best to check local performance before committing. If you've used Airtel Africa, share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details.